Okay. Mrs. Allie is buying supplies for her son's birthday. The cake costs $78. Why did I put a circle around that? Ella?
So you know, like, that's how much the cake costs?
It's an important number and unit, and we're going to circle all of our important numbers and units. She also buys 3 packs of streamers for $2.50 each, and a pack of balloons for $4.25. The party favors are $25. If there are no other expenses, how much does she spend preparing for the party? Why did I underline that question? Why did I underline how much does she spend preparing for the party? Trista?
Because that's the question that they're asking.
That's the question, and we want to always make sure that we're focusing on the question, and then we're going to restate the question so that we have an answer in a complete sentence when we're finished. Okay? Now, do you see any math action words that I can put a box around? Stella?
How much?
How much? Anything else? A. Very good. I like that. What does A mean? 1. So I'm going to circle it. That means 1 pack of balloons. Very nice. I have an armor ticket for remembering that one, Lily. That's a tricky one. Trevor, what do you see? Huh? Spin. That's a math word. It doesn't tell us if we should add, subtract, multiply, or divide, but it is a good math word. Kaden, what do you see? What? Well, that's true. I have one more math action word that I'm looking for. You're exactly right. We are going to add. Each. Each is that math action word. And remember, if it comes before the question, that means we could multiply. So let's look at that one sentence. She also buys 3 packs of streamers for $2.50 each. That means that we could multiply $2.50 times 3. Now, most of us in here, or maybe all of us, don't really know how to multiply $2.50 times 3. Am I right? But what can we do instead of multiplying it by 3? What can I do instead? Ryan.
You can count up like 250, 350, and like 450.
What you're doing is adding. I can add 250 plus 250 plus 250 3 times and get 750. And that's the same as if I had multiplied 250 times 3. Okay? So when we get to multiplying, this is kind of like a shortcut. Okay? We're not there yet, but that's what that word each tells us we can do. So Kaden said that we should add. So we're going to add our $78. Go ahead and add that decimal point. When we have money, you can always do decimal point, then 0, 0. Okay? And then our 3 packs of streamers that are $2.50 each. So now we can write down our $7.50. I walked around and I saw like Carter and some of you others. AJ over here, that you just added 250, 250, and 250. This just makes the final adding a little easier. Either way is okay. The balloons were $4.25, and the party favors are $25. Don't forget the decimal point 0, 0. We have to remember to line up that decimal point, and if it doesn't give us a decimal point, we can add it and add our 2 zeros. Yes, sir.
I need to use yours.
Can you wait just a couple minutes? Okay. So raise your hand if you added this and tell me what you have. What'd you get, Gracie? Okay, that's what Carter got, and that could be right because I was just trying to add it in my head. What did you get?
$104.75.
Okay, so we're pretty close on that, Ella.
$511.05.
Okay, well, let's see. So first of all, make sure that you lined this up like I did. Sorry, I just hit my camera. Make sure that you lined up your decimal points, your ones place, your tens place, and then these are our decimal place values. Let's make sure we line them all up. Okay, so now we have 5 and 7 and our decimal point. So you should definitely have 75 cents. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 more makes 20. Plus 4 is 24. And then I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So whoever said that, I know Carter had it correct. I know Stella F had it correct. Gracie had it correct. Kaden, did you have it correct? Good job. Now, who can put that in a complete sentence? I saw Carter's sentence. Who else can do a sentence? Ella. Could you please answer my phone and just say it's a great day on 17? Can I help you?
$114.05.
Very good. Mrs. Allie spent, don't forget that dollar sign, $114.75.